Can we turn off mirror mode on Google Meet? Hello everybody, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to find out, so let's just start. For that you may open up the Meet application on your screen. And then once you open up the app, you should be finding this interface. So from here, let's head over to the three horizontal lines at the top and then open up settings. And from here, previously, we used to have an option called call settings. When we used to go over there, we used to have option of turning off the mirror mode. So unfortunately, Google Meet has removed that feature. You can't directly turn off mirror mode in Google Meet, but the image you see is mirrored for your own view, while other participants can see the unmirrored correct view. So that is how we find out we cannot do it. So I hope this information was helpful. Thank you for watching and we will see you on the next one.